Hello. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yesterday, hopefully and thankfully, we are continuing our university application video for University of TRIER second part. So in the previous part, you already know I showed you or talked about TRIER University of Applied Science requirements analysis video in the official website. Then we also logged into Uni-Assist. But we didn't do or complete the second part because we were having issues with Uni-Assist. I think they have resolved it automatically. That's the reason I can now log into their system. And if you remember, last time we stopped at this part where I showed you how to search for TRIER University, and these are the courses, and we had interdisciplinary courses which are with electrical engineering, mechanical, building service supply engineering, industrial engineering, and medical engineering, automotive engineering. We had around 5 to 6 choices, whichever you want to choose. So today I will show you what are the information that you need to fill, what are the documents that you need to upload, and how to submit the application in order to get an admission in any of the disciplinary which you are applying. Before that, if you're seeing me for the first time, you don't know anything about this channel. In this channel, we make requirement analysis video at first. So in this requirement analysis video, we talk about German university, which you can study either in electrical engineering, computer science, civil, mechanical, depending on your interest. After that, we also talk about what are the documents and requirements that you need to have in order to study in these colleges. After getting to know all this, then we also make a list of colleges with deadlines, application requirements, and where to apply. After all these things are done, we will also make a video, separate video like this, where I show you how to apply videos by step, showing you how to apply and get an admission. Then I have also made the application videos about visa applications. If you in future, if you still need a visa application videos, then I can also make a visa application for VFS. Other than that, if you still need one-on-one session with me, then you can directly contact or become a YouTube member. Then we can have one-on-one session. Without any delay, we'll get started with today's video. As I told you, and we have like 6 to 7 specialization in interdisciplinary subjects. I will choose electrical engineering because then it will be good for our playlist that we are looking only for electrical engineering. Once you click on select, you need to select either first semester, second semester, third semester, depending upon your interest. As I told you, NC-FRI is nothing but a free admission. Whoever have the requirement fulfilled, they will all get an admission up to 120, I guess. NC is nothing but restricted admission, so that will be like they will only have seats around 30 people. So even though 50 people have requirements met, so all these 50 people will go through some restrictions. Say example, it could be any of the aptitude test or it could be any of the interview. Then they will give 30 admissions depending upon that. So that's the difference between NC and NC-FRI. And if you are a person who is applying for the first time from bachelor to Germany, who are coming from India, then you need to always select first semester. But if you are a person who is selecting second semester, third semester, then you should have done your first or second semester either in any of the German university already pursuing. Then you are just internally changing. But in our case, we are just first semester, so we will click on first semester and we click on add to selection. Once you click on add to selection, then your course will be in inbox. Then here you can just say we need to answer the unanswered mandatory question, and this will turn into green. Then we can submit. First, we have to fill the general questions. So this general question we have already filled. I will just go through. For this particular application, we need to have a course specific study related question. So this is nothing but in order to admit into this degree program, you need to upload the module inventory or module selection or module handbook from your application, from your bachelor. So if you remember, I told you this application has to this college needs a bachelor ECTS of up to 300, and they also okay with 6 semester courses. So if you're a person who is uploading complete module handbook, they will just check into all that module handbook and tell you that you have fulfilled all bachelor requirements from there. If you have not, then they will issue the conditional admit. Then they will also tell you to finish these many subjects before you do the thesis. But here we will just start with educational details. So in the education section, the first thing would be your schools attended. As I told you, the first paragraph of school 1, you can put your 2014-2016 where I did it, which will be your 12th standard. In Karnataka, we call it a secondary pre-university college or pre-university college. So here I did it in Marimalapa Pre-University College in school, and country is India, and the name of the certificate that I got awarded is Pre-University College. If you have awarded only as 12th standard, then you can also say 12th here. So it's a box where you can fill anything. So just fill in the name of the certificate on your mask card. Okay, then the date of school leaving certificate is 1st May 2016. This is a just dummy date. People who are filling for their application, please fill in the school leaving certificate date that they have mentioned in your mask card. Okay, after this, after filling your 12th, which will be 11th and 12th, we also filled our 10th details. In Karnataka we call it as secondary school leaving certificate. In CBSE and all they call it 10th, whatever they call, but you are getting an idea. So this section of school 2 you will fill your 10th details. In section of school 1 you will fill your 12th details. Then you did your 10th standard from 13 to 14, which I did it. But if when you have done it, please give that 1 year of course that when you have done. Then name of the location where you studied, which school. I studied in Marimalappas High School and country India. Date of school leaving is 1 May 2014. So these are the school 1 and 2 that I have pursued. After school 2, which will be your PUC or 12th standard, in Karnataka always we have a mandatory university entrance examination that we have to take in order to get into seats in engineering college or for bachelors. So that's the reason for Karnataka people, always it would be university entrance examination that you have taken yes. Okay, or if you have gone with a management seat, not taken any of the university entrance examination, then please click on no. But if you are a person who went with government seats and other things, and if went through CET ranking and things like that, then please click on yes and give the CET marks there, or which examination that you have taken. So either in Karnataka it would be CET, and in national level it would be NEET, JEE mains, etc., depending upon from which exam that you got a seat for your bachelor degree in India. So studies outside Germany, yes, we have done the studies outside Germany or begun or completed the degree program, and that first university qualification will be our bachelor degree, which we did for 4 years. So I started doing it from 2016 to 2020. This is my bachelor degree program, 4 years. Then I did it in VTU Karnataka, Visvesvaraya Technological University, and this will be in our Anabin database, and it also got me H+ awarded university. So I will also, it is also a proof that yes, I will get an admission if I have fulfilled requirements. But if you are a person who your university is getting H+ or minus, then please don't apply. You will get a rejection and you won't get a visa. Then location of study is India. Study requirements on subject area is electrical engineering. Then type of degree qualification is Bachelor of Engineering. Have you successfully completed degree program? Yes, we have successfully completed the degree program. If you are a person who is still pursuing, not has finished your degree program, then you can click on no. Then you need to upload the progress certificate in document section. Then in second university qualification, who can utilize this? So if there are people who have done 10th standard in schooling but directly went for diploma. So diploma is considered as like degree also. If you want to, then you can fill in here in second university qualification your diploma degree. In first university you can fill in your bachelor degree. So it will be like three year like that. So depending upon your interest, you can fill secondary university qualification as your diploma if you are a person who is coming from diploma and did bachelor in lateral entry. In third year university, you can also fill in your master degree if you have done already in India one master's, and now you are coming for second master's. But if you have done like proper 12th standard, only one engineering and coming for direct master, then you just have to fill in the first university qualification as I have showed you. After filling all these things, then you need to fill these things where you have to say student in college, we have not attended. Have you passed this proofing? No. Have you currently in student in college? No. Then there are all other things that we are not concerned about. And here, if you are a person who have selected second or third semester, where you have information about study in university, where you have already pursuing in any of the university, or did you attended any summer internship like that, then you can please fill in your first degree program in Germany. Like say example, you are doing a electrical engineering course in Hochschule Aalen and you want to change into University of TRIER for second semester, then you need to fill your first degree program in Germany that yes, I did study one semester in Aalen, but I have not successfully completed. I want to change my course. If you do that, then you will get a admission for second semester direct. But yeah, these are the general questions, 11 out of 11 that you need to fill. And what is the course related question that you need to fill? As I told you, you need to just upload a module handbook, which is one extra. So here we go and we do the dummy document. This module handbook will be your this thick handbook where you have mentioned what are the subjects that you have studied in from first semester to second semester, third semester, fourth semester, fifth semester, sixth semester, eighth semester. So this module handbook will have all information about all the courses that you have done your 8th semester, and yeah, how it looks like, and that document you have to put it here. Usually you will get in university website, or you can also check with your college, then they will have for sure. Because think it in a way, whenever your semester starts, your teacher will come on the first day and say these are the modules that we're gonna do in this semester for this particular subject. So that PDF we need, and we put it we have to put it here. Then we have answered all unanswered mandatory questions. After that filling, we have turned out this has been turned into green. So now we have to check the uploaded documents, if all the uploaded documents are there. So yes, we have work experience internship. So one is full-time experience, one is internship. If you have, please put it. If you don't have, then don't need to worry. We need to have APS. Yes, we have uploaded passport, GRE, German A1, A2, B1, because for this particular course we need to have a B1 done it. So if you are a person who is applying with German A1, A2, then you will get a conditional admission. If you have done B1, then you will get direct admission. If you have person who have not done any German, then please don't apply, then you will get for sure rejection. Then IELTS, you need to have 7, 6.5, bachelor's certificate, letter of recommendation, a statement of purpose, which is your letter of motivation, CV, and your schooling certificate. So with this, your all details will be uploaded, and here again you can upload your module handbook for future colleges, whichever it asks, then you can directly upload in future. So here I will put it to upload with other documents, and our module handbook is also uploaded. So in future we can also use this same module handbook for our next application. Then we have filled everything, and we have uploaded the document also. The first application will be always 75 euros. From next application it will be 30 euros in particular semester. Then usually you have to click with credit card, because online transfer only be done with German or European countries, not with other countries. So usually the international credit card you have to use, and you can click on proceed to checkout, and you can fill in all total VAT, everything you have done. Then you can click on payment to process, where you can fill in your credit card details and submit the application. Once you submit the application, you will get a application file or PDF generated. You can keep that. Once the Uni-Assist will be forwarded to uni, and once they have any question, there is some documents missing, there is some information needed, or you got an admission, or you got an rejection, everything will be recorded in this particular portal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video where I showed you or talked about University of TRIER second part video. In the future video, I'll also make requirement analysis or any of the application video. If I don't make application video more until January 15th, think that in a way that I will be going in vacation, so that I would have re-recorded only requirement analysis video, because that is easy, and I would have scheduled it. So see you in next videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye.